So guys, in our previous videos, I've taught you how to deposit money from any exchange to your Ourbit. I did that using an example. I showed the example when I used my business account to send money, and we also the money in my Ourbit. And also, I've also shown you how to withdraw money from Ourbit to another Ourbit account. Yeah, so I've shown you that one. You can either use the internet transfer or you use your wallet address. Now in this video, I want to show you how to send money from Ourbit to any other exchange. Now this method I'm about to do here is going to work irrespective of where you are sending the money to. As long as it's exchange, whether it's centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, it's going to work. But however, I'll be using Bybit for this example so that you will see the work too. Anything I'm doing with the Bybit is the same thing you do with any other exchange. So now this is my Ourbit account. Now I want to withdraw money from this Ourbit account to my Bybit. Now the essence of doing this is because after making money, after trading and you've earned money from Ourbit, of course you may want to withdraw the money. You may want to withdraw it, to sell it, to make use of the physical cash, right? And I've told you from the beginning that Ourbit does not offer pay to pay. So you want to transfer to your Bybit, to your Gate, or even to any other platform that accepts P2P, or maybe someone sends you the money and then you want to send the USDT to that person. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to show you in this particular video. Now, if this is your first time of seeing my video, this is Blockchainplus. You are welcome to Blockchainplus. In this place, I make crypto simple and profitable for everyone. So if you like content like this, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified. And most importantly, do not forget to hit the like button on this video. Alright, with that said, let's go into the video of today. So we want to withdraw money from here. Now the first thing you want to do to be able to withdraw your money is to go to this wallet right here. When you go to the wallet, like I always say, it's always good to check the network, because some network, depending on the time or depending on the activity of the day, their transfer fee or their withdrawal fee may be higher. You get? So now that we are on our wallet, the next thing you want to do is to click on withdraw. Remember, I want to withdraw this time. So you click on withdraw, and mind you, I've already told you where you must move the money to. You must move it to your spot account. So this is the amount I have right here on my spot account. Remember, it was $11, so I sent $5 to someone who wanted to top up. Now this is the amount I have. So I want to send $6 from this account to my Bybit. Now click on USDT. Now because I'm transferring to my Bybit, I'm going to use on-chain, not Ourbit transfer. Remember, so I'm going to use what? On-chain. So I'll click on on-chain. Once I click on on-chain, the first thing I want to do here is to check the transaction fees and all of that. So I like using this Optimism for here because their withdrawal fee is very, very small. So you can choose any of your chain, because if you check there are different chains. There is BNB smart contract, there is Tron, there's Ethereum, there's Arbitrum, Solana, Aptos, and all of that, right? So I'll just choose this Optimism, and then the next thing I'll come to this place that says enter withdrawal amount. So I'll tap on it, and then I'll put $6. Now remember, I have not put what? The wallet address, which is very, very important. So that wallet address is the wallet address from Bybit or from the person you want to send the money to. So the person have to send you their wallet address and the network. You should always specify that the person send you the network and the wallet address. If the person sends you the wallet address without the network, the money will be missed, or you can lose the money, because you must choose the right network. So I'll go to my Bybit right now. Now let's say this is my Bybit home. Now on my Bybit, I'll still click on assets or wallet, which is this one right here. So this one, it says asset. Meanwhile on Ourbit it says wallet. So I'll click on assets. Then here I want to deposit. Remember, we are withdrawing from Ourbit, so I'll click on deposit right here. Now I will choose deposit crypto because I want to deposit my crypto. Then I will choose USDT, which is what I'm about to send from my Ourbit. Then remember we chose OP mainnet. If you look at the Ourbit, you can see it here is OP. You can see it right there is OP, right, which is optimism. So always make sure the this thing matches, right? The network matches. So I'll choose this OP mainnet. Then I'll just drag this thing like this to verify that I'm doing that, and then I'll click on this copy sign. I've copied the wallet address. Then I will go back to my Ourbit and then paste it in this box that says wallet address. So I'll just paste it here. Now I've pasted it. So once I paste it, see the network is off again because I just pasted it. So the next thing I'll click on it and choose the network again. Remember is OP that we are using. I'm just going to put 0.05 so that it takes care of the small charge. Then withdrawal remark is optional. Then now you can see you've set up everything. The next thing you want to do is to click on confirm. Now once I click on confirm, before I click confirm withdrawal, which is this button right here, you can see this button right here. Before I click on it, I usually check the first 5 digits and the last 5 digits to see that it tallies with what I have from where I want to send it to. Now, in this case, it's by Bybit. So I'll go to my Bybit and I will check. This is the first 5 and this is the last 5. So the first 5 is OXFDF and then 43820B. So OXFDF, we are going to go over to this place. OXFDF9, can see it 43820B. So it is correct. Then I will click on withdraw. Now they're going to send me an email with a verification code, and then I also have my Google Authenticator turned on. So I click on send. So I shall receive the code within the next few seconds. So you can see it right here. This is the code. This is the code that came. So that's the code. So I'll just copy the code right like this from my Gmail. Remember, it's on your Gmail you're going to receive it, your email account, whether it's Gmail or Yahoo Mail, whichever one you're using is your email account. So I'm going to paste it there like so. Then I will go to my Google Authenticator and copy the code because it has to be those two codes. So on my Google Authenticator, I'll just copy my Ourbit code. You may not see this screen right now because of the security. So I'll just paste it. Now I'll click on confirm. So I'm done. That is how you send money from your Ourbit to your Bybit or any other exchange. You can say it is what sending. Now you have seen how to send it. So the next video I'm going to do is to show you how you can actually trade this your money on P2P so that you have the money in your bank account where you can make use of it. So I'll do that video. If you want to watch that video, like I said, turn on your bell notification icon, subscribe to this channel, and also do like this video, and so that when I drop that video, you will be notified and you can watch them. So right now we are waiting for the funds to drop in this place. Once it drops, you're going to see it in your account. Now if you look at this account right now, let me just turn on. If you look at this account right now, I have nothing in this account. So I'm just showing you so that you understand. Now when the money comes, you're going to see the money right here, and then we can sell it together. Alright, that is it for me in this particular video. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy yourself and remain blessed.